Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a Walmart gift card to your Apple Wallet. Now, in order to do this, we will need to go into the App Store first, and we need to search for an app called Pass to You, just like that. Now, the application looks like this. You just want to install it, and once you have installed it onto your phone, you will click on Open. Now here, we will click on the plus sign at the bottom right, and then select Apply a Pass Template. Now we will use the search bar to search for Walmart gift and click on Done. This is going to show you a bunch of different Walmart gift cards, and depending on which one you have, you will choose from these options. So for example, let's add this one. You will just click on it, and once this loads, it's going to give us an option to customize the information on it. So just like that, as you can see, we can click on the card number, the PIN, if I click on next here, it's gonna show me these pencil icons, and I can change the card number, I can change the amount, and also here the barcode type. So after you fill out this information, depending on your gift card, you'll click on Done and then Add, and this is going to add it to your Apple Wallet. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.